Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best creatine is probably one of the most researched and effective supplements available for anyone looking to significantly boost muscle growth, enhance strength, and improve athletic performance, making it a staple in many fitness enthusiasts' routines and a crucial component for achieving those hard-earned gains in the gym. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. So let's dive into what makes a creatine supplement truly stand out and help you reach your muscle-building goals faster. Number 5. Nutricost Creatine Monohydrate Powder 500g. Unlock your athletic potential with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's micronized for optimal absorption, helping you achieve your fitness goals. Each serving delivers a powerful 5,000 mg dose of pure creatine monohydrate. Experience the difference that high-quality ingredients make in your training. Our formula is micronized, meaning it mixes effortlessly into your favorite beverages. Enjoy a smooth, grit-free experience every time you supplement. With 100 servings in every container, you'll have a consistent supply to support your workout regimen. Stay energized and focused throughout your fitness journey. This is the essential supplement for anyone serious about building strength and improving performance. Make it a staple in your daily routine. What we like. This option is micronized for better mixability. It offers a substantial amount, making it a great value for consistent users. If you're looking for a no-frills, budget-friendly creatine to fuel your gains, this is a solid choice. What people say. This product is a game-changer for muscle building, delivering noticeable gains in strength and size. The creatine is highly soluble, mixing easily into my shakes without any grittiness. I experienced a significant increase in workout endurance and recovery time after incorporating this into my routine. Number 4. Jacked Factory Creatine Monohydrate Powder 425g. Elevate your fitness journey with our premium creatine monohydrate. It's designed to support muscle growth and enhance performance for both men and women. Experience the power of pure creatine, meticulously formulated for optimal results. This unflavored powder seamlessly integrates into your daily routine. We believe in clean supplementation. Our product is vegan-friendly and has undergone rigorous third-party testing to ensure purity and potency. Achieve your goals with our recommended 5g daily serving. Each container provides 85 servings, offering exceptional value and convenience. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting, this supplement is your key to unlocking new levels of strength and endurance. No artificial flavors, just pure creatine monohydrate. It's the straightforward, effective way to support your body's energy production. What we like. This product is certified vegan and rigorously tested by third parties for purity. If you prioritize ethical sourcing and verified quality in your supplements, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those seeking a clean, reliable creatine source. What people say. This product is great for muscle building. I noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance after using this creatine. The powder mixes easily with water and has no gritty texture. Number 3. Nutricost Micronized Creatine Monohydrate 500 Capsules. Fuel your workouts and enhance your performance with our high-quality creatine monohydrate. It's designed to support muscle growth and strength. Experience the benefits of pure, micronized creatine. This means it's easier to mix and absorb, ensuring you get the most out of every dose. Each capsule provides 750 mg of creatine, with a recommended serving of 2 capsules for a total of 1,500 mg. This supports your fitness goals effectively. With 500 capsules per bottle, you get 125 servings of pure creatine. This generous supply ensures you stay consistent with your training regimen. We are committed to providing you with premium supplements. Trust in our product to help you achieve peak physical condition. Incorporate this essential supplement into your daily routine with ease. It's a simple yet powerful way to support your active lifestyle. What we like. For ultimate convenience, this comes in easy-to-swallow capsules. Each serving is pre-portioned, eliminating the need for scooping and mixing. If you dislike the taste or hassle of powders and want a simple way to get your creatine, these capsules are perfect. What people say. This product is great for muscle building. I noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance after using this creatine. The powder mixes easily with water and has no gritty texture. Number 2. Peach Perfect Creatine for Women. Introducing Peach Perfect Creatine, designed specifically for women. It's a powerful blend to help you achieve your fitness goals. This micronized creatine monohydrate powder is formulated with BCAAs and collagen. It provides targeted support for glute strength. Experience a significant boost in your energy levels and mental focus. This supplement helps you power through your workouts. Achieve greater strength and improve your endurance with consistent use. It's the perfect addition to your training regimen. Enjoy the refreshing pink lemonade taste with every serving. Each container provides 30 servings for your convenience. What we like. This formula is specifically designed with women in mind, including BCAAs and collagen for enhanced support. It aims to boost energy, focus, and strength, particularly for glute development. If you're a woman looking for a comprehensive supplement that goes beyond just creatine, this flavored option is worth considering. What people say. This creatine is amazing, it has helped me gain muscle mass and strength. I have been using this creatine for a month now and I can see a significant difference in my performance. The powder dissolves easily in water and has no taste, which makes it easy to take. Number 1. Old School Labs Creatine for Women. Are you looking to enhance your post-workout recovery and build strength? This supplement is designed to help you achieve your fitness goals. It features 5,000 mg of creatine monohydrate for muscle support, along with 2,000 mg of collagen and a 2:1:1 ratio of BCAAs. This blend is specifically formulated to aid in muscle recovery after intense training sessions. The unflavored powder mixes easily into your favorite beverages, making it a seamless addition to your routine. Specifically created for women, it helps support strength and recovery, so you can feel your best. Each pack contains 8.57 ounces, providing a substantial supply for your fitness journey. What we like. This is formulated for post-workout recovery, featuring creatine alongside collagen and BCAAs. It's designed to support strength and muscle repair after intense training. If you're focused on optimizing your recovery and seeking a supplement that aids muscle rebuilding, this unflavored option is a great fit. What people say. This creatine is great for muscle building. I noticed a significant increase in my strength and endurance after using this product. It mixes well with water and doesn't have any gritty texture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.